Subscribe and press the bell icon for latest update.
जी हाँ, हाल ही में बेनेटन इंडिया ने सेलिब्रेट किए हैं 25 ईयर ऑफ हेरिटेज एंड वैल्यूज़, जहां पर दिखाई दी हैं सोनम कपूर भी। जानकारी देते हैं आप सभी को, सोनम कपूर ने यहाँ पर कई सारी बातें की हैं। तो वहीं सोनम कपूर ने ये भी बताया कि एक्ट्रेसेस जैसा बनने के लिए आम लोग यानी कि जो उन्हें फॉलो करते हैं एज अ स्टाइल आइकॉन, वो कुछ सच्चाई नहीं जानते हैं। सोनम ने कहा कि जितना हम पर्दे पर खूबसूरत दिखते हैं, उससे पहले हम 19 मिनट का पहले मेकअप भी लेते हैं, जहां 6 से 7 लोग उनके बालों पर काम कर रहे होते हैं, कोई उनका मेकअप कर रहा होता है। खूबसूरत दिखने के लिए पर्दे पर ना जाने क्या क्या करना पड़ता है। सोनम ने ऐसी सच्चाई बताकर सच में सबको हैरान कर दिया। साथ ही सोनम ने यह भी बताया कि उनको कई बार कितनी परेशानियों का सामना करना पड़ता है, जहां ऐसा लगता है कि उन्हें कोई टॉर्चर कर रहा हो। इसके अलावा सोनम कपूर ने यहाँ पर अपनी शादी को लेकर भी बात की है। अब सोनम कपूर ने क्या क्या बातें की हैं और साथ ही कैसे वो इस इवेंट पर दिखाई दी हैं, आपको आइए सुनाते हैं इस वीडियो के जरिए।
Propagated and promoted over the years, especially in the current scenario all over the world. I think brands that promote such kind of inclusiveness is very important. So I'm so happy to be a part of their celebration and to be here.
Thank you, Sonam. Over to you, Mr. Chugh. You've been the engine of this brand. How overwhelmed, how excited are you to celebrate this milestone today?
Very excited and very nervous because I'm standing to the fashion icon, next to the fashion icon. So it's really been an overwhelming journey for us. We have established our position as a leader in this country, and we're looking forward to maintain our position and keep all guns blazing.
Amazing. Okay, so I'm going to now switch this back to you guys. I'm going to have you guys ask each other questions. And Mr. Chugh, why don't we start with you? Do you have a question for Sonam?
Question to the fashion icon. Oh, it's a really difficult one. Sonam, I've been a follower of you on Instagram, and I've seen a followership of almost more than 12 million. You are a fashion icon who impresses upon everyone, including the entire fashion fraternity. You have followers across the world. I have a very simple question. What is your view on the democratic and authentic language of Benetton as a brand?
So for me, any brand which doesn't have gravitas or depth and doesn't have a there has to be some moral compass to anything that you do. And if there is a brand that encompasses all of that, I think it's very incredible. And if you see the campaigns all over the world, including in India, I think it's a very brave campaign, and they've been doing this over many years. It's all about all colors. It doesn't matter what color you are. It doesn't matter what sexuality you are. And I think that is what is the most impressive thing about Benetton, and that's the most impressive thing about any brand. So there has to be a moral compass, and there has to be something that it stands for. So it's amazing. Thank you.
Over to you, Sonam. Do you have a question for Mr. Chugh?
So what is next for Benetton in India?
So next for Benetton in India, we, as I mentioned, continue to grow our business, continue with the leadership position in the country. And one of our key pillars has been socially responsible brand, because that has been something which has been part of the DNA of the brand right from the beginning of the brand, right from the inception. So we continue to tread that path. So we started the social initiative with our campaign United by Don'ts, wherein we touched upon women empowerment. Then we did United by Play, which was more around religious intolerance. Then we moved to United by Half, which was to address gender inequality in our country. So we will keep driving these big initiatives under the social responsibility pillar of the brand, and we continue to be leader throughout. That's how we envisage the journey of the brand in the country.
Amazing.
That's amazing. Okay, so before we move on to the next section and kind of open the floor to the questions for media, we have a very small token of appreciation from Mr. Chugh and the brand through Sonam. I believe we have some very excited and very amazing social influencers in the house who have a few questions for Sonam. There is a team that's going to hand over the mic to you guys if you want to just quickly ask your questions. Guys, we have time only for 4 questions, so we'll quickly start. There.
Hi Sonam.
Hi.
You're looking really nice.
Thank you.
So, what do you think of the new spring summer collection?
I'm wearing it. I think it's incredible. It's all different colors and it's a knit and it's very, very cool. I'm wearing a men's blazer from Benetton, by the way.
Looks really nice.
So, I like the fact that there's fluidity in gender clothes. I enjoy doing that. So I like wearing men's clothes a lot as well.
Can we have the next question?
If you see somebody in your color wearing the clothes, you're like, "Chalo, even I can wear that."
Sonam, hi. This
Hi.
is Dolly from the Bombay Brunette.
Hi.
What, according to you, is the one fashion staple you should have this spring summer in your wardrobe?
What is the one? Honestly, I live in jeans. Denims are, for me, very, very important because, okay, so for me now I'm traveling so much and I'm traveling for one month, 2 months, and sometimes you're lazy to give your clothes to laundry or you don't want to do it, and jeans are something that you can wear over 3-4 rows. I can't believe I'm saying this out loud, but it's okay, and it's nice to have a great pair of jeans that fit you very well. I'm very tall. It's very hard for me to find jeans that are my size and my length and everything. So when I find my jeans, I'm like a very happy person. So jeans and a white shirt, always. Yeah.
Hi Sonam, I'm Neha from Chica Next Door.
Hi.
I'd like to ask you, which has been your favorite Benetton campaign until now?
There's a lot about gender inequality that has been spoken about these days. So for me, I think that is what's the best campaign that they have done right now, because even though racism and all of these issues are still prevalent, but in a country like India, I think the one thing that is most socially relevant is gender inequality. And as women, we face that every day. We live in a very misogynistic society. So for me, that was the campaign that resonated with me the most.
Thank you.
Thank you. वो मुझे पता नहीं, मैं प्रोड्यूसर नहीं हूँ. मैं वीरिति वेडिंग के बारे में बात कर सकती हूँ.
First question, yeah.
नमस्ते. मैं एक्चुअली 1 महीने बाद बॉम्बे आई हूँ क्योंकि मैं फिल्मिंग कर रही हूँ, तो मैं बहुत ही खुश हूँ आके. इवन इफ इट्स फॉर 1 नाइट, सिर्फ 1 रात के लिए आई हूँ. पर बहुत अच्छा लगा. मैं बहुत ही खुश हूँ कि मुझे यहाँ इनवाइट किया गया. ये बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट ब्रांड है, और जैसे मैंने कहा कि बहुत कम ब्रांड्स इतने सालों तक लास्ट होते हैं इंडिया में. हमने बहुत सालों से देखा है कि स्टोर्स बंद होते हैं, खुलते हैं, पर बेनेटन इतने सालों से लास्ट हुआ है. इट्स जस्ट द क्वालिटी ऑफ द ब्रांड, दैट्स व्हाई. हाँ जी. यस यस. I think it's great. मैं अभी पहन रही हूँ, and I will not wear something that doesn't look nice on me. So I think that's important. The quality of the product is great, and I think there's a way that they like to showcase themselves. Like I said, जो audience होती है ना, films वहाँ जहाँ films concerned होते हैं या कपड़े concerned होते हैं, they're not dumb. They realize quality when they have to, and that's why anything does well. So yeah. वाह, मेरी शादी की खबर आ रही है, पर अनफॉर्चुनेटली मैं मीडिया के सामने कभी अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ के बारे में बात नहीं करती हूँ. बट थैंक यू फॉर कीपिंग इंटरेस्ट इन माई लाइफ. थैंक यू सो मच. Yeah, sure. It's a very cool brand that I'm wearing, and I'm excited to be wearing costume jewelry with my. Yeah, thank you. It's cool that a guy is asking me about my jewelry. It's the first time that's a. No, it's not. But even if it was, would I tell you? It's just Riposte. It's a brand that I like wearing. Gaia is a, yeah, so I wear on both my fingers. I'm wearing Riposte. I wear it. Gaia is a friend of mine, and she makes me some jewelry. नहीं डिलीट गया क्या है वो, इंस्टाग्राम में ऐसे कुछ इशू आ गया है. अगर मेरे इंस्टाग्राम में जाओगे तो आप देखोगे आप बहुत कंट्रोवर्शियल क्वेश्चंस पूछते हैं. Only women are doing this these days, my God. I'm so happy that some men are asking me questions. I can't imagine a woman is asking me these questions. You always do this. You don't like other women? No, I haven't deleted any of the Instagram posts. If you go back to my Instagram, you see they're all there. There was a glitch in my Instagram. Even my Instagram followers have increased in the last 2 days. If you go back and see, they're all there. So please don't create a controversy when there is none. I expect a woman to support other women, not try to create situations. So please don't that. You have to support other women so we can go forward in life. Okay?
Guys, that's the last question. Thank you very much for being here. Thank you so much,
Thank
Sonam.
you so much. Yes? Thank you. Thank you so much.